Thanks for visiting our channel, guys. Glad you're here. If it's your first time, please hit that subscribe button. Click on the bell icon also so you get notified whenever we post new videos. Also, you have to turn on notifications on your phone so you get those notifications. Today we have a really cool recipe for you guys for the holidays. We're making a very delicious chicken fried rice. And this would be something good for you to wow your relatives, friends, family coming over for the Christmas holidays. This is gonna be one tasty, yummy fried rice. For this, we're gonna be using some chicken breast. We're gonna be using some bell peppers, scallions, celery, pepper, garlic, carrots, onion. We're gonna be using some ginger in this fried rice as well. Black pepper, sesame oil, casareep, soy sauce, salt to taste, of course. And for this fried rice, we're gonna be using some fried rice seasoning, of course. And for the fried rice, we're gonna be using white rice. Alright, white rice gives you a better fried rice, more loosey. So let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing we're gonna do here is add our water to heat up to boil our rice. So that's 3.5 cups of water, guys. Throw it in there now to boil. So we're gonna add some salt. Give that a stir and let it boil. So you don't have to use as much chicken as this if you don't want. Use how much you like. So we're gonna check on our rice again, guys. You want to be on top of this. You don't want your rice to get too soft. So that's it. It's boiled. All the grains are gone. So we're gonna throw some cold water in here now. That's already cooked, so you don't want it to cook any further. So adding some room temperature water will stop that from cooking any further. So we're gonna strain this now. So we're just gonna leave this to cool, and we're gonna wash that now with some vinegar. So while your rice is cooling, guys, you want to turn it up a bit like so that it airs out as it cools. So we're getting the garlic and the pepper ready now. That's the celery and the broadleaf thyme. The broadleaf thyme in Guyana is also known as puddina elsewhere. So that's the ginger. We're using some ginger in this fried rice as well. So we're gonna season our chicken now, guys. That was some black pepper. Now we're gonna add some casareep. Some salt. And now for all the stuff that we pounded in the mortar. So that was the celery, the broadleaf thyme, the ginger, and the pepper. Yeah, a little bit more casareep. So when you're adding this, you're looking at the color, okay? For the casareep. So we're gonna set this aside, and we're gonna get our other stuff ready while our rice is still cooling and airing out. So that's our puddina leaf. So you can cut your peppers any way you like, guys, but this here is a nice way of cutting it. Julienning your peppers. Alright guys, so we have everything prepared, everything chopped, seasoned, and our rice has cooled down completely. You can see it's loosey and nice now. So we're gonna go fry our rice. Make this delicious, yummy fried rice. So we're gonna add some oil to our pan. Alright, so our oil is hot. So with our chicken now, we're gonna add just a little bit of soy sauce. So we're gonna cook this for a little bit. And chicken breast doesn't take very long to cook. It's all meat. You see it's already cooked. So you're gonna cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now we're gonna take this out and put it aside. So we've added some more oil to our pan. So we see how delicious that chicken breast is looking. So the first thing now we're gonna add our onions. And cook that for a little bit. So as our onions are starting to get a bit brown guys, we're gonna add our other ingredients, that's the carrots and the bell peppers. Some black pepper. Salt to taste. Give that a stir. So now you want to let this cook here for about 2 minutes because the carrot is a bit hard and this is the hardest part of our seasoning. So we're going to let this cook for about 2 minutes and then we're going to add the other softer seasonings like the scallions and stuff. So now we're going to add our scallions and celery and pepper. And that's smelling lovely guys. We're going to now add our rice. Now we've added some fried rice seasoning. So we're gonna add a little bit more black pepper. A bit of sesame oil. Now with some casareep. So the sesame oil is just about 2-3 drops. So now we're gonna add our chicken. So look at that guys. So that's it there guys, that's our chicken fried rice. Looking delicious. If you like this recipe, guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.